Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your tech host, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. OpenAI opens up DALL-E 3 access to ChatGPT Plus and enterprise subscribers, enhancing image creation capabilities. DALL-E 3 leverages ChatGPT's natural language processing to generate detailed images from text prompts. It promises improved visual detail, crisper images, and responsiveness to more complex prompts compared to its predecessor, DALL-E 2. This expansion offers more users the ability to create diverse and expressive AI-generated images. It represents a step forward in AI-generated content, offering creative possibilities to subscribers. Next up, we have Apple's decision to use previous year processors in base iPhone models aimed to balance cost with performance. This approach, implemented starting with the iPhone 14 series, has led to criticism over perceived performance compromises. Users were not receiving the expected value since newer processors were reserved for the Pro models. Reverting to the A18 chip in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus signals Apple's intent to address performance concerns. This move is likely to be welcomed by those seeking a balance between affordability and performance in Apple's products. Discord introduces the Teen Safety Assist initiative to bolster safety for teenage users. Proactive filters, message sender alerts, and image blurring will be automatically enabled on teenage accounts, enhancing user protection. Discord acknowledges the importance of ensuring a safe environment for younger users on its platform. The company's commitment to providing a secure space aligns with the needs of its diverse user base. The Teen Safety Assist initiative is set to roll out next week, providing a safer experience for teens on Discord. Apple is reportedly developing a larger 12.9-inch iPad Air, expanding the Air series to a size comparable to the iPad Pro. This change aligns with Apple's strategy to offer users more diverse product options within the iPad lineup. The use of an LCD panel instead of mini LED may help maintain a competitive price point for this larger iPad Air. The shift to the A18 chipset reflects Apple's focus on delivering improved performance for its tablet lineup. The expected launch of the 12.9-inch iPad Air in the first quarter of the following year indicates Apple's ongoing product development efforts. WhatsApp introduces self-destructing audio messages as a new feature in its beta app for both iOS and Android. Users can send audio messages that automatically disappear after the recipient has played them, enhancing privacy and security. This feature aligns with WhatsApp's ongoing efforts to provide users with more control over their messaging content. Similar to View Once for photos and videos, this feature prevents recipients from saving or forwarding audio messages. The rollout of self-destructing audio messages is set to improve the overall messaging experience for WhatsApp users. Next, we have an Oppo phone with model number PHZ110 appeared on Geekbench 6, indicating the use of the upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 9300 SoC. This device is believed to be a prototype of the Find X7 model. The MediaTek Dimensity 9300 features a powerful processor architecture with a Cortex X4 Prime core and multiple high-performance and power-efficient cores. The phone achieved a multi-core score exceeding the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, showcasing its potential in terms of performance. This development hints at Oppo's intent to compete in the high-end smartphone market with cutting-edge hardware. At last, Vivo has silently launched the Vivo Y78T, a new addition to its Y78 series in China. The Y78T boasts a 6.64-inch LCD panel with a full HD Plus resolution, a high refresh rate, and a large battery. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6 Gen 1 chipset, promising strong performance. The device offers configurations with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, catering to user preferences. This release reflects Vivo's focus on providing feature-rich smartphones to its diverse user base. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने भी नई एसेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट है, एप्पल स्टोर में नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई, आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह। अरे भाई, तेरा आईफोन 15 के देखो हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार, पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई, विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस